A disc swing can add tons of fun to a swing set, especially one mounted on a high-performance swivel. In this video, I'll take a look at different types of disc swings and different types of swivels. And I'll provide links to these at my website address, listed at the end of the video and in my bio. But I've witnessed in my 10 years of making swing sets that there's not much that a kid likes more than spinning into unconsciousness. And now we'll install the spinny seat with a climbing rope. I've tried a bunch of swivels, and this is the one I like the best for functionality and for ease of installation. And it's all stainless steel and comes with stainless steel lag screws. I'll provide a link to it here. For instance, this is a different swivel that I tried. It doesn't have as good spinning action. The bearings are more exposed to the elements. It only uses 2 lag screws, and the arm on it doesn't pivot, which really limits the fun. Or this swivel here has good spinning action, but it's more complicated to try and install to the beam. As it rocks, it will grind on the hardware you use to attach it to the beam. I'm centering the swivel 5 inches from the end of the beam. Pre-drill with the bit that the swivel comes with and drive in the lag screws. For disc swings, again, I've tried a bunch, and this one's got the best design and strength. For instance, this one here, you can't really see too good, but it doesn't have as strong of a way it attaches at the bottom. And here's another one that, like the one I just showed you, has these plastic handholds instead of knots. The beauty of the knots is in an instant you can change where they're positioned along the rope for the kids. Or you can add or remove knots to change the height of the swing. With these other disc swings I showed you, you can't do that at all. You can't. With the ones that have the plastic handholds, you can't adjust them at all. There is a risk, a danger to make you aware of with these disc swings, and that is that a kid can wrap the rope around some part of their body. So you'll want to instruct your kids never to wrap the rope around themselves. And as always, give them plenty of room to zoom. And if you want to see my next fun projects, please like and subscribe. And you can go to my website, roomtozoom.com, for complete lists and links to everything you need to build this crazy fun swing set. And to see other great playsets you can make.